What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a video of me driving my simulator and racing on Forza Motorsport with the Lamborghini Countach. So we're going to be driving two different cars around the Nürburgring by myself. Just kind of get some lap time, stuff like that. So this is my Thrustmaster. I know it's not the newest wheel, it's like the third newest wheel, I think. It's the Thrustmaster TMX. Also got the shifter right there. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Alright, and I also have a clutch, which I forgot to select. Manual clutch. Alright. Now we have a clutch. So we're driving the 1980s Lamborghini Countach. White. This is one of my dream cars. A white Countach with white interior. Now while we're driving, I'll tell you a few facts about the Countach. First of all, did you know that the Countach, see, I did not mean to push that button. Quit rewinding. Okay, so as you can see, it has a rear wing on the back, which you see most Countaches have. But did you know that all Countaches, because of regulations, weren't allowed to have rear wings? There was actually no Countaches with rear wings coming out of the factory. But Lamborghini had a guy that would, the second they would come out of the factory, he would put them on. He would put the rear wings on the cars for the people that had bought them, because nobody likes a Countach without a rear wing. So it's actually rarer now to see them without the rear wing than with it, even though that's how they came from the factory. So I'm just going to be doing some racing around the Nürburgring in the Countach and some other car that I haven't really thought of yet. We might do it in a Koenigsegg. Now this corner right here, you can take flat out. Almost didn't make that corner. I just slide a little bit. If y'all like seeing more videos like this one, let me know. But I also just got this GoPro working. I was gonna make a video about my Jeep outside, but by the time I got my Jeep working right, it was already dark. And I just got this camera running not too long ago, like today. Well, at the time y'all are probably seeing this video, it would be tomorrow. So I recorded this video on a Monday. Yep, today's Monday. Hey, be sure to show this video to all your friends. Still trying to get a lot of followers and subscribers on YouTube. Especially with this GoPro, it'll be helping me make better quality videos. Oh shoot. I gave it too much throttle through there. We'll probably just rewind that. I don't even know what happened. I guess I dipped down too much, the suspension hit. And for an 80s Lamborghini, I guess it just lost control. I'm gonna try to keep it full throttle again, because I mean, that's not really a section where you have to let off. It just dips down right there. But I geared down a few gears and it helped it out a lot. And I went off the track again. This is probably one of the hardest sections for me, because it's like fast section, and then it goes to those corners right there. But this is my favorite track of all time. It's either this or Spa, but it's not even close to. And I think the new Forza Evo, I think it's called. I think it's supposed to be based around like the Nürburgring of Germany. I don't know if it's gonna have the Autobahn or any of that stuff in it, but I know the map's supposed to be like super big. Do some drifting in the Lamborghini. But now that I got this GoPro, y'all could see how I like race on my simulator, because this is how I normally drive when I play racing games. It's on my simulator. But y'all don't normally see me playing racing games because I set my phone in between my paddle shifters right here. So yeah, that's why y'all don't see them, because I use my simulator to set up my phone to help me make these videos. But now that I got this GoPro, I should be able to make a lot better quality videos, use my simulator, do some outside videos, some like vlog type stuff. So if y'all have any suggestions to do with this GoPro, let me know down in the comments. Man, that's a good corner right there. Got a 6.1 for a segment score. That's not that bad. I know I'm not the best racer in these games, but I just like to have fun, record some YouTube videos. And these are the kind of games I usually play in my free time. Like Forza Motorsport, Forza Horizon 5. Sometimes I'll play some GTA. If y'all want me to do some videos on that, I could. Just let me know. And then if y'all like those Wobbly Life videos, I could do more of those. I know I posted 2 of those yesterday. Sorry we had to end the video early yesterday. The second video on Wobbly Life. I had to go to a Christmas party at my grandma's house. I'm going kind of in the grass there. Oh, in the grass again. trying to keep a conversation going. It's hard to do when you got nobody talking back to you. I just gotta get used to this whole YouTube thing. Making videos, you know. I mean, I love doing it. It's just hard to get used to, if you know what I mean. But yeah, I spent all day today trying to get this GoPro working so I can make some videos for y'all with it. And it was kind of hard to set up. See where I got my simulator plugged in down there? I gotta plug the USB stick into there. Y'all can see all my GoPro stuff up here, like all my like gear and stuff. I got a bunch of like connections with it and stuff like that. Oh, that's cool how they got the camera on the lift truck. And then they got the bridge across with the flags. This corner, you